The Mini 2 SE is one of the most popular travel-friendly camera drones from tech giant DJI. However, it is capable of shooting only 2K videos, and those looking for 4K have to turn to the pricier Mini 3 series or the Mini 4 Pro. But that could change with DJI planning to upgrade the camera chip in the new Mini 2 SE models it manufactures. And in preparation for that, the company has slashed the price of the current Mini 2 SE from $299 to $279. Welcome back, folks. Make sure to watch till the end, and if you haven't already, hit subscribe to be part of our growing family. DJI has requested the U.S. Federal Communications Commission for a Class 2 permissive change to the Mini 2 SE. More specifically, the new drone will add an alternative camera chip H22A55. Compared to the original camera chip H22A35, the alternative chip brings an additional 4K function. This is exciting because 4K videos open up more possibilities for post-production and retain more resolution when cropped for vertically oriented social media platforms like TikTok or Instagram. Mini 2 SE anyway offers excellent value for money despite the lack of obstacle detection sensors or some of the other features of its higher-end siblings. And now, the ability to record crisp 4K videos will only help to make the best budget drone even better. According to the FCC paperwork, DJI is also making some changes to the Mini 2 SE's front-end module chip, but that will not affect the basic functions or the radio parameters of the aircraft. DJI Mini 2 SE delivers a maximum flight time of 31 minutes and up to 10 kilometers of HD video transmission with excellent anti-interference capabilities. It has level 5 wind resistance, which means even at a wind speed of 10.7 meters per second, the aircraft can hover steadily and keep images stable. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.